Hey, hello, welcome back to our channel. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss some of the most important and repeated questions for Icar 2021. So, our first question is, which of the following are not developed from ovary? Apple, tomato, mango, coconut, cashew nut. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. From this, the right one is option 4, A and E only. That is, apple and cashew nut are not developed from ovary. They are developed from thalamus. So the right one is option 4, A and E only. Next one, copper released from copper releasing intrauterine devices is. The options are make uterus unsuitable for implantation, increases phagocytosis of sperms, suppress sperm motility, prevent discharge of ova from ovary. And the right one is option 3, suppress the sperm motility. The next one is, at each tropic level, a certain mass of living material at a particular time is known as. And the options are dry weight, standing crop, fresh weight, standing state. And the right one is option 2, standing crop. Fourth question, triple fusion occurs in which group of plants? The options are gymnosperms, angiosperm, pteridophyte, bryophyte. And the right one is option 2, angiosperm. Next question, the single-stranded overhanging ends of DNA produced by the restriction endonuclease through offset cuts in the DNA strands are called dash. The options are palindromes, blunt ends, cohesive ends, and transcripts. And the right answer is option 2, blunt ends. The next question, mammalian teeth is. The options are tecodont, monophyodont, diphyodont, heterodont, homodont. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. From this, the right one is option 2, A, C and D only. That is, mammalian teeth are tecodont, diphyodont and heterodont. So the right one is option number 2. Next is a match the following question, in which the list 1 has Rhizopus, Agaricus, Neurospora, Trichoderma. And the list 2 have Deuteromycetes, Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Ascomycetes. From this, the right one is option number 2, that is, Rhizopus belongs to Phycomycetes, Agaricus belongs to Basidiomycetes, Neurospora belongs to Ascomycetes, and Trichoderma belongs to Deuteromycetes. So second option is the right one. Next question, tight junctions are present in. The options are molluscans, annelids, arthropods, amphibia. And the right one is option number 4, amphibia. Next question is also a match the following, in which the list 1 has chloramphenicol, ethidium bromide, DNA ligase, calcium, and the list 2 has join the cut ends of DNA molecule, make the bacterial cell competent to take up DNA, selectable marker, agarose gel staining. From this, the right one is option number 2, that is chloramphenicol is a selectable marker, ethidium bromide, agarose gel staining, DNA ligase is used to join the cut ends of DNA molecule, and calcium makes bacterial cell competent to take up the DNA. Next one, species in a biological community based on number and relative abundance is called. And the options are species richness, species diversity, species selection, genetic diversity. And the right one is option 1, species richness. Next one, 4 children of a couple show 4 different blood groups A, B, AB and O. The probable genotype of the parent are. And from this, the right one is option 3, IA I0 and IB I0. Next one, which of the following type of RNA is most essential for the process of protein synthesis? And the options are tRNA, rRNA, mRNA, fRNA. And the right one is option number 3, mRNA. Next one, arrange the phases of cell cycle in correct sequence. G2, G1, S, M. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. And the right one is option number 2, D, B, C and A. That is M phase, then G1, then S and last G2. So the right one is option number 2. Next question. An enzyme devoid of its either prosthetic group or coenzyme is designated as. The options are substrate, holoenzyme, apoenzyme, coenzyme. And the right one is option 3, apoenzyme. Next question. Streptokinase enzyme produced by Streptococcus bacteria is used for. And the options are as an immunosuppressive agent, as a clot buster, as blood cholesterol lowering agent, as an antidepressant. And the right one is option 2, as a clot buster. Next one, which of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? And the options are discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. Factors occur in pairs. Allele do not show any blending. Out of one pair of factor, one is dominant and other recessive. And from this, the right one is option 3. Alleles do not show any blending. It is not explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance. Next one. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is. The options are 7 nucleate and 8 celled, 8 nucleate and 8 celled, 7 nucleate and 7 celled, 8 nucleate and 7 celled. From this, the right one is option 4, 8 nucleate and 7 celled. And the last one is persistent calyx is a characteristic feature of family. The options are Laminaceae, Solanaceae, Poaceae, Cyperaceae. And the right one is option 2, Solanaceae.